Right side of the road, left side of the road?
This, right.
Right side, okay. I should have known that already. Okay, first time shifting gears. We're in second gear, doing okay. Wow, I feel like a motorcycle guy.
Woohoo! Ready for another adventure.
Gioc Waterfall, worst pronunciation ever. Here we are in Cao Bằng province, northern Vietnam, right on the border of China. In fact, these people on this boat are probably Chinese because that's China. So we're in Vietnam still. We had an amazing drive to get here from Cao Bang City, kind of in central Cao Bang, up to the north, through all of these rice paddies and small villages.
Mountains. It was beautiful.
Amazing drive to get here. Now let's go check out the waterfall. Gioc Waterfall. 5-star waterfall experience. There is a sneaky mud pathway. You're not allowed to go, but you can if you want to sneak up on the left of the waterfall and go to the second level where the fishermen are. You're not supposed to. We decided not to because we're not feeling like sneaking today. It's December 26th, the day after Christmas, and I have a cold, and it's just kind of wet and damp, and I just don't want to sneak up the little mud hill. But if you're interested, on the left side of the waterfall, you can be very sneaky, and you can go hang out with the fishermen up top.
Yeah.
Would be kind of cool. Chose not to this time.
By the way, we're like the only one here with like 4 other people right now. Look around.
Yeah, which is really amazing that no one's here. The Chinese side is like incredibly busy. They have hundreds of people.
They're more crowded.
But over here, there's like nobody. So to be fair, it's December, so maybe it's low season. But really great, quiet, peaceful, exploring around this lovely waterfall. Next stop, the pagoda, just over there. Up the hill, which might give us a nice view of this waterfall actually.
Yeah.
It's up the hill.
So let's go.
Alright, just came up here. I just parked there. No idea if this is the right parking spot. There's a cow over there, which is really great. And there's this pagoda here, which I think will have some incredible views overlooking the town. We've also got this awesome looking staircase, which I'm sure leads to more action. Okay, Vanna, let's explore this place. Looks nice, no? I really love these pagodas. This is a really fantastic one.
It's beautiful.
Way
so
up on the
beautiful.
hill. It's got all the features of a pagoda. pagoda, which would be like, you see turtles, you see there's always one gigantic bell. The roof structures always have that kind of almost like a dragon on the end of it.
Yeah.
Really detailed. A lot of bonsai trees. So relaxing up here. It's so quiet. Up on the hill.
Surrounded by mountains.
Up the long staircase to get here.
It's like 5 minutes rides from the waterfall.
Must.
By
If you're
bike.
going to see the waterfall in Cao Bằng, you've got to come to the pagoda. It's right next door, and it's so worth it.
I almost like this place better than the waterfall.
Amazing. You can actually go the corner over there and see the waterfall from the top. Free to enter.
Amazing.
Absolute must do.
So peaceful. Love it.
So peaceful.
Oh.
Awesome. So from what I understand about Buddhism and these statues, the position of the hands on the statue is what tells the story of what this statue represents. So you might see two statues with the same body position, the same outfit, but you won't see two statues with the same position of the hands or object in the hands. So whether he's in love or heartbroken or asking for donation, the position of the hands is what tells you what the statue represents. So each of these buildings you see has a place to worship inside, full of like really elaborate decorations and ornate kind of carvings. There'll be a bunch of different representations of Buddha. There'll be a bunch of offerings, food, money, even a can of Coca-Cola. Why not? I even saw one of these buildings that had what I think would be Ho Chi Minh inside of it, one of the biggest heroes of Vietnam. So I think this one behind us is the main worship pagoda in this place. It has a couple features I remember and I know what they mean. It has 3 versions of Buddha lined up right in line with the front door, representing the past, present, and future. It has the good man and the similarly dressed corresponding evil man on right and left of that. I love the explanation of this in my Buddhism book. Something like, we all have the good man and the evil man inside of us, and they're kind of at war. I love that because I think so many religions are like, there's good men and there's evil men. We are the good men and they are the evil men. It just seems like kind of a religious idea. What we believe is virtuous and right, and what other people believe, well, they need to be saved and think like us. So I love the idea that Buddhism is like, no, we're all good and evil, and we're kind of struggling between this thing. I mean, it just sounds right compared to the other ideas. Also, one I can't remember, I see a bunch of times in this pagoda and in other ones, the turtle with the pelican on his back. I can't seem to remember what that one means. If you know about the turtle with the pelican on its back, let me know in the comments. It was in my Buddhism book, but I've completely forgotten. So if you guys know what the turtle with the pelican on its back, let me know. I love these pagodas, man.
Yeah.
They're so relaxing. They're so, like, I'm not Buddhist, but I can just come in. They're not going to be like,
Can come here every day.
you come here every day. It's so great up here. Feels inclusive. Feels, I mean, it just sounds right.
Yeah.
More than some of the other religions, which seem very combative.
And it's free here.
Of course it's free. It's Buddhism. They would never charge. It's like such a beautiful religion. All right, that's it for us here, guys. Only did 2 things today, which isn't very much by our standards, but they were both really great. And to be fair, we had a late start today because we had a flat tire on our scooter, which sucks. But 70,000 dong later, new tire, new inner tube on the back tire.
Yeah.
Love the waterfall. Definitely recommend the pagoda, especially. I mean, I love these pagodas. I could talk about pagodas all day long. Absolutely love it. So tomorrow we'll be heading from Cao Bằng back to the city of Cao Bằng. Still in Cao Bang province.
From Gioc to Cao Bằng.
From Gioc to Cao Bang. Stay tuned for that video. We'll be checking out a mountain with a eagle eye in the mountain.
Ooh.
Sounds very exciting. Thanks for watching, guys. What do you want to add, lovely Ivana?
Oh, can we just move here?
Wow, the pagodas really speak to you too, don't they?
The pagodas, and then the view of from the pagodas. You can see the town in front of us. You can see waterfalls. You can see mountains. It's just beautiful.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Good day today here in, forgot the name.
Gioc.
Gioc. Thanks for watching, guys. Shrink in the corner. Stay tuned for more content. Below us is our most recent upload. You can see what we're up to now, what waterfall we're checking out, what pagoda we're checking out, and on the left, some of our other videos. Please subscribe. Another year of travel, 2020. Lots more vlogging action.
Bye.
Wow, what a sweet way to say goodbye.